Yeah, after a long break, let's have a quick look at Sunmachines. That's the page. George Mason University Space Weather Lab. And we go to watch at this. Let's slow it down a bit. And we are watching this region here. Or let's say this segment, which is in the focus. And obviously, it's the only region where there is constant action. Around the occulter. This black thing in the middle, this black disc is the occulter disc in the camera, and the red circle here on the right, that's the sun. So let's have a look at some screenshots. And for those who haven't seen any of those videos, don't expect me to tell you what we are looking at, because I don't know. I have no idea. And that's made with a phone, with a basic application. You just take a screenshot and then play around with contrast and brightness. And since we don't have any colors, you don't need you don't need even saturation. This might be a planet. Yeah, I was lazy. I didn't check if there's any planet going there. Yeah, but it might be because in the next picture we have. Also, that's the original screenshot. Nothing made to that picture yet. And obviously there's something. It's just really intriguing. The shapes, what we find there, and the constant action at the same spot. I don't know what this could be. Geometrical solar filaments erupting. What? And here we have this kind of streak going. Or maybe it's just a disruption in the picture of the camera. I have no idea. Now that's a little bit more increased. Yeah, and I know you're waiting for the left, for the object on the left. And this is just now once increased. I didn't do anything more to that. I don't know what's that. And there's something here as well. Maybe just some really small particle really close to the camera. Could be, I don't know. But somehow there seems to be some kind of a connection to that. Maybe. Maybe not. Then again, that's the original screenshot. And I thought it's intriguing because we have this kind of line here. And obviously something going on at our spot. And I would estimate that Earth would be at about this size, or maybe even smaller. A little bit hard to guess. Yeah, it must be really much smaller. It's like just dot. That's Earth. Yeah, that's a nice one. And like I said, I don't know what we are looking at, but it looks nice. Because it might seem just nature after all. I don't know. Are we alone? Are we alone in the universe? The only conscious beings? Hopefully not. Would be a shame. Yeah, is that the thing which belongs to this other? I don't know. I don't know what we are looking at. I have really no idea. It just looks really intriguing. And I cannot repeat it enough, but just the fact that we have something going on the exact same spot all the time is really, really interesting. Because the sun is rotating around its own axis as well as we do. And there are these kind of. I might see stuff which is not there. I don't know. It just looks like. Interesting. That's the next frame, I guess. Because I didn't check about any chronology in those screenshots. I just took random. Like, I probably saw something and then I thought, yeah, that's probably one worth to take a screenshot. Yeah, it's really interesting. There are this kind of structures and forms. Obviously, now we can see this kind of arc. Oh, yeah, I was trying. Filled paprika and then fried in oil. And there was cheese also in that. Maybe a bit too much. Too much grease in once. And every now and then, we have these kind of structures here. I've showed them many times. Just think about the fact. In every frame, it's at the same spot. How? Why? Who? Oh man. What's going on? What's that? Shouldn't be like that. There shouldn't be any big structure, stationary, close to the sun, because there is still a big distance to the sun itself. Like, that's just amazing. Whatever it is, if it's just a continuous camera glitch, it's still amazing because it's a really nice camera glitch. Yeah, I don't know. So we could make just a test. Let's go randomly somewhere and just take a random screenshot and see if there's anything. So we are back at the page. Now let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days back, and we found many tools. Check it out. Many tools. So it's really fast. Where's pause here? Obviously, CME just erupts there at the place, but gallery. And then we go to contrast, exposure, a little bit maybe down, brightness. Yeah, let's go with that. So there's 1 and 2 triangle looking shapes there. I don't know what they are. Are they anything? But it's obviously a triangle shaped form. There is something bright. Furthermore, we experience some pixelation. Yeah, and it's the only spot, like this spot, what we watch all the time. Here is nothing, and also here is nothing going on. So now let's try again. Start 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's really boring, I know. But let's see if we anything could catch. Obviously, there is some kind of form or whatever. Same spot, always something going on. And I have no idea what or why or who. Yeah, I increased once again a little bit of contrast. It didn't really help. I don't know. I anyway don't know what we are looking at. I leave it here. Sunmachines. Whatever there is going on. Thanks.